Good morning, and welcome to your daily dose of cryptocurrency news. Well, it's a beautiful day to be alive, and an even more beautiful day to be in the world of crypto. But before we dive into the latest news, let's get one thing straight. If you're not living on the blockchain, are you even living at all? Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get to the good stuff. Our first story is all about Bitcoin, and boy, is it a doozy. It looks like the Bitcoin price has stabilized at around $112,000, and traders are betting big on a potential rebound. But wait, there's more. Fresh volatility is expected in the Bitcoin futures market, and that means things are about to get interesting. The market is preparing for a liquidity grab at $114,000, and traders are optimistic about Bitcoin's future price performance. But that's not all, folks. We've also got some exciting news from the world of politics. Mara Corina Machado, a Venezuelan opposition leader, has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize, and in a surprising twist, she's also a Bitcoin supporter. She refers to it as resistance money, and we can't help but agree. I mean, who doesn't love a good underdog story? Now let's talk about something a little more serious. A sophisticated keylogging malware called Astroth has been discovered using GitHub to evade detection and steal cryptocurrency credentials. This is a big deal, folks, and we're talking major red flags. The malware is designed to self-replicate and steal sensitive information, including cryptocurrency credentials. This is a wake-up call for all of us to step up our cybersecurity game. But wait, there's more. Our next story is all about the importance of traditional banking services for cryptocurrency companies. You see, despite being a new industry, crypto companies still need basic financial infrastructure to function, and that includes corporate banking accounts, secure storage for funds, and quick access to liquidity when needed. It's time to get real about the needs of our growing crypto community. And if you thought things couldn't get any more intense, think again. In April, the cryptocurrency market saw a significant loss of $161 million to various cybercrimes. From private key exploits to flash loan attacks and smart contract exploits, the list goes on and on. But don't worry, folks, we're not here to spread fear and panic. We're here to educate and inform you about the latest trends in the world of crypto. Speaking of which, did you know that North Korea is using cloud services to launder stolen cryptocurrency? It's a clever tactic, but we're not buying it. Apt43, a state-sponsored hacking group, is using stolen crypto to mine more coins on cloud services, but this just goes to show how desperate they are to sustain their operations. But let's not get too caught up in the drama. Our next story is all about the importance of security in the world of crypto. Oracle manipulation has led to significant losses in 2022, and it's time to take a closer look at how these attacks happen. Chainlink, a dominant Oracle provider, saw its TVL drop from $56.7 billion to $8.7 billion between January and December 2022. This is a major wake-up call, folks. Now before we get to blockchain bites, I want to give a quick shout out to our crypto comeback friends out there. If you're listening, we've got you in mind. Blockchain bites. Why did the blockchain go to therapy? Because it had a block of emotional issues. In all seriousness, blockchain bites is our chance to share a quick laugh or interesting fact about the world of crypto. And speaking of interesting facts, did you know that Astroth, the keylogging malware we mentioned earlier, is using GitHub to evade detection? Talk about a clever hack. But enough about that. On to the next story. We mentioned earlier that cryptocurrency companies need access to traditional banking services, but did you know that there's a token created specifically for this purpose? It's called Kryptonite Pro, and it's designed to facilitate transactions and rewards within the Kryptonite Pro community. But what's even more exciting is the exclusive CPRO $0 one token sale for Kryptonite Originals. It's a limited release, and we can't recommend it enough. If you're looking for a chance to get in on the ground floor of something big, this is it. And finally, let's talk about the latest happenings in the world of crypto. From Dark Island to Optimist Bilge, it's a world of intrigue and mystery out there. But one thing's for sure, we're always keeping an eye on the top 250 Web3 companies to watch. Stay tuned, folks. Well, that's all for today's news recap. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to stay safe in the decentralized finance ecosystem and blockchain world. See you on the other side. And to our new listeners, welcome to the Crypto Comeback crew. We're glad to have you on board, and we can't wait to share more exciting news and updates from the world of crypto.